Okay, first and foremost, any vice chairman, that's great. Okay, our leaders who are the side of the one we are in. They will not count to sorrow earlier speakers. They want to tell us to explain go from. Democracy is a game of numbers. Democracy 51 plus X. I mean 50 plus X. You are X the multiple of 1 to 150, 50 again. Mathematical analysis of democracy here. And because it's only government of people, by the people, for the people. So willingly, a man come vast not to get more time law. But only one with money choice, not make choices. You can make the right choice, you can make the wrong choice, you can be decided, you can be undecided. And you are unlucky to make your own choice. So it was decided. The consequences say, I don't blame from, so you blame one from. In that race buried, we are very careful not to contest because what is next? Look on. But nígbà tí kò consult láwọn widely nígbà tí mo ti bá àwọn èèyàn sọ̀rọ̀ pé bàbá lọ́gà sọ fún ẹni pé yẹ ká ní sùúrù àwọn tó pẹ̀lú ọgbẹ́ níbà lọ. Nígbà tó jọra ẹ̀ lóun contest wọn mo ní pressure from everybody. Mo á wo àwọn tó wá ń bá mi àtàwọn tó ń jáde mo wò pé without sounding immodest or without being sympathizous to anybody, and don't want to be your aso be ọlọ́gbọ́n and they like high. And then they believe you more. So we follow what I will be in here, what the end and yet we will compare, you know. What a nice way, our tone pressurize me cooking guiding, you know. 95% of them are better materials than how to get this time. Or maybe where do we go from here? Yeah, the kind support Awọn is a mind. But they came with analysis of possibility of winning the election. So what is now left to you and I, particularly Awọn vice chairman in a way, do you want a governor in your state or you want a candidate? It's not a governor ni Omaronu by a doctor. It's not a candidate now, I don't know doctor. To make you around. They are not the same thing at all. And you only little boy but matter. The way you are personal as a person, the downfall is near. When you doing this yourself, èyí lè ní àwọn ọ̀rẹ́ ẹbí àbí tó ń lọ pé kankan jọ ìbí kan ọ̀tọ̀ ní promise wọn ní post gan fún ayé kí gọ́ọ̀nà máa jẹ́ ssg ó ti rúkú àwọn èèyàn pẹ̀lú tó burú tó pé kí n máa pín tó wà ti pa most time òkè débẹ̀. You went an aspirant 2 years governor or kind of that's the end of that ambition from history over the years. So àwọn àgbéyẹ̀wò ṣe àwọn pé well there are a lot of things tó máa ń jáde oríṣiríṣi ọ̀rẹ́ máa ń gbé ògbérin. Ṣíṣe tó wá pé wọ́n lè sìn àwọn èèyàn yóò bẹ́ sí ni. Irin yẹn ó kú ni o wọ́n fa ni o wọ́n ó mú mi yóò ni o àwọn tó fẹ́ pé fà kò tẹ̀ ní ìrora rárá. Because báyìí ṣe gbà nìyẹn. Ṣé rí some type of people they are endangered species. There are some people they are endangered species. Will you respect the public masses of the state at àtàwọn office holders ṣe mọ̀ tó wà ní level pé bóyá wọ́n lè classify wọn ọ̀ ṣe mọ̀ tó jẹ́ bíi ṣe pé ó máa difficult láti mú yẹn kan gbogbo wọn wọ́n ṣe sọ àmì nígbà tí àpáyé election president wọ́n ní company post state by state Ọ̀ṣun state wọ́n allocate 18 posts for 18 positions. Àwọn state bíi 36 ní 40 depending on àwọn white of 18 wọ́n tó kọ́ fail election ló fà. Ẹyin bá chairman síbẹ̀ ẹgbẹ́ tí ń gan lọ ẹgbẹ́ jù bẹ́ẹ̀ lọ. So kájà gbogbo iná fi sí post kò lè kárí everybody náà. And tí wọ́n lè fi hàn sí post kan lọ́wọ́lọ́wọ́ sìn tí wọ́n ti post kan olórí ẹ̀rọ àti ìròyìn tiẹ̀ ọ̀pọ̀ta pàtàkì àwọn aláwọ̀ àpé ó dàbí business man tó ṣiṣẹ́ rẹ̀ àti worker tó ṣiṣẹ́ ìwọ́kà tí irú àwọn lọ́gì lọ́wọ́ sí strike wọ́n gbowó wọn lọ bẹ̀rẹ̀ wọ́n tó bá jẹ́ business man tó ṣiṣẹ́ owó ẹ̀ ìbí apẹ́ ṣe wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ náà wọ́n tó fẹ́ ṣe wọ́n fẹ́ fún post Abuja sí bẹ́ẹ̀ mi ìwòye bá ti àwọn tó ti fún post Abuja ní ibi tí mo bá yọ. So ẹ tó máa continue yẹn àbí ẹ continuity. So ẹ ká ṣíbìrì wọn sílẹ̀ ká mọ̀ nǹkan tá à ń ṣe stakeholders tó pè yín sí most of the time wọn kò fẹ́ tí àwọn stakeholders àmọ́ wọn náà wà pè yín sí meeting bẹ́ẹ̀ kẹ́ mọ̀ yín fúnra yín náà. Experience ló yẹ ká pè yín sí meeting pé you are critical stakeholders in a local government structure. But tó máa ń tẹ̀yẹ̀ wá pọ́nyàn lé náà ó yẹ kó pọ̀ rẹ̀ náà ní o because lẹ́yìn àpọ́nlé ìtẹ̀ ló máa ń kàn. So I think because the primaries is coming from November 4th to November 5th, everybody wants to play one role or the other. But the Electoral Act is sacrosanct. Some of those potential candidates go watching the debate to validate it. If it's not done, it's a waste of time. If I declare with someone there, was the former party chairman, me and those states, was the former governor, one party chairman, one. On the one platform, whatever Bambuzu you can wọlé by force. Honorable to join the insane. So all of them guru. What happened to the candidate? All of them was a press conference. Àwọn ẹ̀dùn sí láwọn ò fẹ́ ẹni tí ẹ̀ tó gbé wá láwọn ò fẹ́ bí wọ́n lè wà kó follow wá gbà ìjọba ní ẹ̀rọ ìdìbò wa somebody else is the governor now ẹ̀yẹ́ lè wọlé but the critical stakeholders have to say what happens to them. Lọ́jọ́ election mi ní kó náà ìdí àpótí mi I won't come to your polling unit tọmọdé wá lè ṣubú àwájú tàbí wá ṣubú àwẹ̀yìn. So where are we coming from? Bolatimbo, Ebola. And I want to sọ̀rọ̀ in the last 4 days. Wọ́n ní kò pèsè reward system ní party lọ́sùn. If I won't pay reward ìwà ṣiṣẹ́ sí, àbí that's the thing don't complain about it. And because Toluba ti mẹ́ẹ̀ gbogbo ara àti gbogbo ọ̀rá ti dàrú nìyẹn. When you have the wrong choice, the wrong candidate, maybe your sentiments. Ọgbẹ́ ìkan tán ìsibí kan ọ̀rẹ́ ìlágbájá ọwọ́ ọmọ kan tó ń ṣe wà lọ́dí then you are in trouble. You are in trouble. Ìbájá àti ọjà yìí tí nínú ìbò ó máa ń dánú rònú. Ọmọdé sì gbàgbé wá pè wọ́n. Lọ́tà mi sì gbàgbé wà ní of 11 or 12. Májú lọ́la nígbà yóò gbọ́ yìí. A ní wàá lòun lọ. A ní wàhálà ní wọ́n tó gbó. Àbí yẹn kọ́? Wọ́n ní wàá yìí náà for that I don't want to go. Òkè jókòó ẹ sílẹ̀ o. Ọmọ kékeré nìyẹn o. So kí ẹ̀ka máa ń you cannot convince yourself who you are following is a bad president. Ọkọ̀ bá dẹ̀ ní gúrù kan wọn ojú níbẹ̀. Àti ẹ̀tí bẹ́ẹ̀ nìyẹn o. Wọ́n wọlé o lè justify bí mo wà. pé challenge game bí báyìí owó tí o sú ọ̀dọ́ so you already get food from home bọ̀sá kiri bọ̀sá maybe when there was no choice there's a choice now maybe when there was no choice there's a choice to choose between the good and the bad and the ugly like also earlier there are many ways to enter a town when you are coming to Ṣòṣogbo láti Ifẹ̀ o lè wá tú Mòró Ẹdó Àpọ̀nbí pẹ̀lú Ẹdó Àpọ̀nmòró ṣẹ́kọ́nà síbí wọ́n lè wẹ̀ tó wá fi pé o ní problem tiẹ̀ o lè gba èyí sí lọ tó lọ gba òkè mẹ́sì wọlé o gba ìbòkú jáde o wá gba àdá Adéṣogbo náà Adéṣogbo mímí àgbègbè tó wá lè ti wẹ̀ o lè fi sọ̀rọ̀ wo kọ́kọ́ gba ìdúró náà sit kọ́kọ́ sí ìdìbò náà wá gba fọ́n jáde Ṣòṣogbo náà Adéṣogbo náà náà so ọ̀rọ̀ yìí ọ̀rọ̀ làákàyè ni o ẹ̀tọ́ wa gbọ́n náà fi mọ̀ ẹ̀tọ́ wa gbọ́n kó mọ̀ gẹ́gẹ́ bí làákàyè wa pé àṣọmọdé mọ́ so àkànṣọ fíkẹ́ lè mọ ni kò sẹ́ni tí o mọ̀ ọmọ tó fẹ́ ṣe you have to pick up your mind what you want to do ọ̀rọ̀ làákàyè là ń sọ fún yín gbogbo pátì kan ló wájọ wa so ó bẹ́tà kí a jọ ṣepọ̀ káwọn èyí pé kẹwàá unite in failure ẹ̀wọ̀n àwọn olùdó máa ń sọ̀rọ̀ ara wọn gan pàfẹ́tì wọn máa ní ìrísí ra wọn wọn ní àbùkù tó àjọpọ̀ yẹn kan ti dàgbò wọn yẹ àbùkù dàgbò fẹ́mi tẹ̀mí because wọn ti jù náà àbùkù máa dàgbò fún yín ni ẹ máa wojú ara ilẹ̀ àmọ́ àwòkọ́ àti tó sọ́nà nìyẹn meanwhile kí ni stake leadership kí ni state yẹn nípa máa ń tù ẹlòmíì àwọn òwe wẹ́ báyẹ́ mo lọ́ọ́ tẹ́mi nìyẹn o nípa àtúntò ìsinmi lábùjá nìyẹn òwò abẹ́rẹ́ sí mú yàtọ̀ ojú pálí àwọn tó wà sọ kò lè ní sí ọ̀rọ̀ káṣù gbọ́ngbọ́ ẹ̀ mọ́ èdè bọ́ sí kọ́mọ́nà nígbà táwọn bá ń bá wọn Alaga 30 years ago Babangida ní pé tí wàá lọ́jọ́ Friday o all chairman àti vice chairman wọn máa padà sí ilé wọn ìdíwọlé gba ìdíwọlé Alaga bẹ̀yìí tí kò ìdíwọlé ó láwọn tó kì í wọn gbogbo tó ń jẹ tá a ga yẹn the chair lego the chair àwọn òkè ìdí wa kọ wáyé o the chair bí ó mọ̀ wọ́n lọ ní so pé ká bára wá dé o so àyíbára ní mẹ́kọ̀ọ́ wọn yóò kù sí o àyíbára ní wọn yóò kù sí tàbí sí ni ẹ̀wọ̀n wọ́n sọ̀rọ̀ nípa ọ̀rọ̀ tí tó bá deadline nígbà náà wà working that one àsìkò láti pé ọ̀nà because ẹ̀dá àdínà fi sùn kò sí pé kéèyàn bá mi pé òun ti gbé tó wọn bá mi wá ní wọn gbẹ̀hùn what is my stake politics is conviction àpótí àrùn ni kò sí master sama kò sí ẹrú kankan olórúkọ rẹ tọ́wọ́ ẹ̀ olùkó mi gbogbo abúlọ wọn ni wọ́n ti náà ẹ̀rẹ́ wọ́n gbé ẹ̀rọ ẹ̀rẹ́ máa ṣe ilé ẹ̀rọ lọ́rùn kó tó tó wá. It's a choice you can make. So what is what here? Nobody will be forced to do anything. But I'm not suffering. I'm not suffering you. So if I'm suffering, I don't walk. To go to our mehe. So I'm going. Oh, look, pussy. Twenty go. 20 down your shit. No, to buy no. Or not look pussy. But today we have I can prepare for the election to move. And the moment about the wọlé fún primary Pẹlu candidate, there is a general zeal. Never ní ẹ̀nà jí pé ẹ̀yẹ́ láti wọlé election. But you are part and parcel of that process. We want to see the end of the goal. So kẹ́ máa múra for the primary and for the general election all the same. So the victory must be won. Pèsè pé bí wọ́n lè di pé àdúrà láti ṣiṣẹ́ ìyẹn kò forúkọ sí lóko ẹ̀mí àwọn lóko Jésù kí ni ìyẹn jẹ́ ìyànà dé ní tì ojú àrò ògbà tó jùlọ olóbiṣẹ́ ojú àrò oníkí mánà tó sọ́gbà yẹn àbí mánà wọ́n fẹ́ kàrí mánà tó sọ́gbà yẹn wẹ́ àmọ́ ẹ̀yìn gbẹ̀yìn mọ́sẹ̀ níyàn ó ti àpásì mi ò tó pé síbẹ̀ ní pé tí wà sí àbàwọ́n májẹ̀mú láíláí kò ní sí ìsìn fún májẹ̀mú tuntun. So this is the New Testament. It's the Old Testament. You know, because the Old Testament in the past, I know you see. But I think there's a need that is into waffle. There's misapplications, miscalculations, misinformation, and misdirection in the New Testament. This is the New Testament. Which is filled with peace and grace of God. All of them are told for our sins. So we have to do less work, we have to do more of thinking and use ourselves. So don't think you want to come, only put two once or twice. When you are alone to decide, you think deeply about yourself. Politics is done for you, not for anybody. You say, me, you have to because of me. You do it. So what's that you have one living now? Àbẹ̀rẹ̀ kúta àríwá sọ́dọ̀ mi ẹ ṣe torí ara yín torí ẹbí yín torí community nítorí ìlú àti torí kìíní àbá máa say so much pé you must live up to expectation. What's expected of you? What basic wọ́n àwọn tó ní problem pẹ̀lú ní ọlọ́run fa ó àwọn ìbọn wọ́n ra wọn fa ó gbogbo èèyàn kò tó gbọ́ ẹ̀kọ́ fọwọ́ rẹ̀ fa bí wọ́n ní bí ìdíkù ìṣẹ́ kan wà láàrin igbó àti iye just one step ní láti igbó àti iye wọ́n imagine láti mistake àti correctness gbogbo ìgbé one step ní ẹ̀ by half a step to do the wrong thing and do right thing might be half a step. So that is why we are this is politicking as if this is slavos of politics as a born local government talk for the noise side of it. So I was straight, I did la ayi la la option bo mais ni e ta so yi ni ta fi la ka yi kilo àpéjọ ọgbọ́n la so si so by the time you come to local government what fẹ́ ṣe what local mind there what calculate to find enough time láti plan pé ibi tá lọ lélẹ̀ mo dúpọ̀ lọ́wọ́ yín pé wá lẹ́kàn sí ilé àgbọ̀n wa ìlú àgbọ̀n abáyọ̀ ní o ẹ̀ka ẹ̀kúṣẹ́ o.